Hello everybody, welcome to E Prime for this evening. I am Daydran. Vybz Kartel remains behind bars. Attorney Isaac Buchanan speaks out. Earlier today, Supreme Court Judge Justice Andrea Thomas rejected an application to release a dancehall entertainer from custody. Justice Thomas delivered her written judgment after lawyers for Kartel, whose real name is Adisha Palmer, Sean Storm Campbell and Andre St. John, had applied to the court for their release following the recent Privy Council decision to quash their convictions for the murder of Clive Lizard Williams. Following the ruling, attorney representing Vybz Kartel Isaac Buchanan took to his YouTube channel where he stated that the team is now focused on the hearing set for June 10.
What I will say is it's the law of the land, and we simply have to go to June 10th to determine the issue of retrial, and unfortunately Mr. Palmer and others will have to wait until that time and a determination.
He also hinted at bringing the case before the Privy Council once more if needed.
So what that the conviction is quashed, they're still charged for murder, and that's how law is in Jamaica. So we have to deal with it or do what we always do when litigants are dissatisfied. They appeal, because the process of justice goes all the way to the Privy Council. If you're dissatisfied at the first instance, the Court of Appeal, and then there. So we will see. If my instructions take me all the way to the Privy Council, that is what will have to happen.
Dancehall heavyweight Bounty Killer pulls out of Reggae Sumfest as anticipation builds for one of the island's biggest two-night festivals, which celebrates reggae music and Jamaica's culture. Dancehall veteran Bounty Killer makes a shocking revelation to fans. In an Instagram post, the artist, who was slated to make an appearance at the festival's 31st staging, revealed that he will no longer be in attendance. The post states that due to circumstances beyond his control, he will no longer make an appearance, nor will a tribute be done this year. Bounty Killer went on to thank fans of the Alliance and his allegiances. The festival's organizers are yet to comment on the announcement. However, the artist is noticeably missing from the artwork on the festival's official website. Now, back in December, it was announced that this year's staging would feature a tribute to Bounty Killer on night 1, Friday, July 19. Dexter Daps leads 2024 Caribbean Music Awards nominations. The rhythm and dancehall singer tops the list with 8 nods, including Performer of the Year, Dancehall, and the People's Choice Awards. Now, Skinny Fabulous follows with 6, while Massacre, Young Brother, Bounty Killer, and Michelle Montano each have 5. Among those coming in with 4 nods are TJ, Sham, Baron Messiah, Patrice Roberts, Raja Weil, and Nyla Blackman. This year's nominations list includes more than 40 categories spanning a diverse range of genres, including reggae, soca, and dancehall. The Caribbean Music Awards recognizes artists, producers, and industry professionals who have significantly contributed to the Caribbean music landscape. That's it for E Prime this evening. I am Daydran. Thank you for watching.